it's important that you don't have to do everything. You really don't. I know that there's 10,000 things on your mind. I know that there's so many things that we need to get done. But in actuality, there's only a couple of main things that you need to focus on. And to be able to slow down and realize what those things are, really, really important. There are a couple of books that I recommend that can help you with this. One of them that has helped me tremendously is called Essentialism. Essentialism. And that is on living a minimalistic life. A great phrase from that book is, if it's not a clear yes, it's a clear no. If it's not a clear yes, it's a clear no. Another excellent book for focus and really understanding where we should be putting our attention is, simply put, the one thing. What is your one thing? So the next time you're feeling overwhelmed and there's so many things you're doing, and as Alice in Wonderland said, in my land, you have to run as fast as you can to stay in the same place. If you're feeling like Alice in Wonderland, I think it was the rabbit who said that, probably not, but who knows. If you're feeling like that, take a breath. Focus on the one thing, focus on what's important, and enjoy the process. Hope it helps. I'll see you around.